Welcome back to Vibro's Tech channel. So as you all know, Amazon Great Indian Festival has been started, which is from 17 to 20 October. So in this offers, various categories of products has got a lots of discount. So today in this video we are going to talk about a specific product, that is the Apple iPhone 11, which was the flagship for the year 2019. The iPhone 11 was launched around 64,000 or to 65,000 with the earphones and the charger in the box. And in this Amazon Great Indian Festival, you are going to get iPhone 11 64GB variant at 48,000 rupees with the earphones and charger in the box. Yes, you have listened right only, with the earphones and charger in the box. And if you want to purchase the 128GB variant, it will cost around you 53,000, which is not that so, but you will get the necessary items like charger and earphones in the box, which is a worthy thing. So talking about the specifications, iPhone 11 has a Apple A13 Bionic chipset with a 6-core and 7nm processor. It has three variants, 64GB, 128GB and 256GB. But in this sale, the 64 and 128GB as of it is available. It comes with a single nano SIM plus eSIM, which supports dual SIM. And as of I told, it has a dual rear camera, and the front camera, it has a 12 megapixel front camera with f2.2 aperture. And coming to the back, it has not the massive but not the smallest 3110 mAh battery with the 18 watts fast charging support, but in the box you will get only 5 watts, so it's okay. And as of now you will get the iOS 14 update, which has been already announced, and it comes with the dual stereo speaker with the Dolby Atmos and Face ID option. And it has a IP68 waterproof resistance and a wireless charging, which supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, which can connect your Bluetooth devices very fastly. So as we talk about the specs, and it has a nice cameras, leaving the telephoto camera in the Pro series. You can absolutely take this if you want a camera centric phone, as Apple's camera is the best leading cameras in the smartphone industry. So talking about the main point is that, is it worth it to buy iPhone 11 in 2020? Because iPhone 12 series has been also announced, and this time not 3, it has launched with 4 variants: iPhone 12 mini, 12, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. But the mini starting price is the starting price of the iPhone 11. The price has been drastically changed. So in my opinion, iPhone 11 is the best choice, and buying in this Amazon Great Indian Festival is the best pick, because you will get the earphones and charger in the box only, though it's a 5-watt charger, but it can make your day. And if you want to buy the smartphone, I will give the link in the description box below, so do check it out. And if you want more updates on the Amazon Great Indian Festival, then do follow in my Twitter, where I will sharing more about the offers and all with the screenshot and all. So yeah, and for more amazing tech videos, do subscribe the channel and share this video if anyone wants to buy the iPhone 11. As I said, link in the description box below. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, because more of the tech videos are coming, and my next video I am planning to do with the OnePlus 7 Pro. So do subscribe the channel and hit that like button if you like it, and do share it. Thanks for watching. Take care.